Today we'll talk about how can you add right prompts on your Hang app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on photo profile down here. When you just click on photo profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to, or you just will go back, you just click here on this sign here on your photo here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You go down, come here to write prompts, click in this sign here, and here can you select your prompts about you here or your shape or this vibe. So here can you add it in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.